Pressure to eat really is everywhere, and it's 24/7. You know, when I go into the bank, I don't expect to see cookies on the counter, but there they are. Or if I go into the dry cleaners, I don't expect to see donuts, but there they are. Ask yourself if you were thinking about it before you saw it. Ask yourself if you'd walk across the street for it. And chances are, if the answers are no, you really shouldn't be eating it. The other place we get a lot of pressure to eat is in restaurants. You know, restaurants push appetizers on you, or they put a basket of chips or bread on the table that you may not need or want. So practice saying no, asking them to please just take that off the table, bring you a glass of water or mineral water or tea while you look over the menu and decide ahead of time what you want. The other place we sometimes get pressure is from family and friends who pressure us to eat things. Maybe they've made something special for us. So practice saying, I'm full. Or you can say, I'll have just a couple of bites. Or the thing I found that often works is to say, I'd really like to take that home so I can enjoy it all to myself when I get home tonight.